276 Juliet Alpha, roger. Give way to the Cessna on Alpha.
Columbus Tower, Mooney 3434 X-ray.
Mooney 3434 X-ray, Columbus.
Yeah, him here on the ramp by the east side hangars, ready to taxi for a southwest VFR departure, Mooney 34 X-ray.
Mooney 3434 X-ray. Runway 32, taxi via Delta, wind calm, altimeter 3021.
Runway 32, taxi via Delta, Mooney 34 X-ray.
What's that burning smell?
I smell it too.
Like burning hair? What is that?
Columbus Tower, Monday 34 X-ray. Would like to back taxi to check something, please.
Three 4 X-ray, roger. Do you want to get on the runway or just on the taxiway?
I'd like to go back the way I came to the hangars if possible.
Mooney 34 X-ray, taxi is requested.
Taxiing as requested back to Delta, Mooney 34 X-ray.
Mooney 34 X-ray, runway 32, clear for takeoff, left turn out southwest.
32, cleared for takeoff, left turn out to the southwest, Mooney 34 X-ray. Here we go.
St. Louis, downtown tower information, Whiskey 1553 Zulu weather. Wind calm, visibility 10, skies clear below 12,000. Temperature 5, dew point -3, altimeter 3016. Visual approach in use, landing and departing, runway 12 right. Notice the German, runway 12 left, closed to fixed wing. Runway 523, closed to fixed wing. Taxiway Charlie, between Bravo and Charlie 4, closed. Advise on initial contact information, Whiskey.
Attention all aircraft, downtown tower information, X-ray current, altimeter 3016.
X-ray 1653 Zulu, wind, calm, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature 7, dew point -3, altimeter 3016. Visual approach east, landing at departing runway 12 right. Notice air missions, Taxiway Charlie and runway 523, surf monkey is not standard. Advise initial contact, you have X-ray.
Tower Billiken 29 is over Columbia, inbound for the option with X-ray.
Downtown tower, Mooney 3434 X-ray.
34 X-ray tower.
Yeah, I'm 10 miles to the northeast and bound for landing with X-ray.
34 X-ray, report to be in the arch left base, runway 12 left.
We'll report left base, runway 12 left, Mooney 34 X-ray.
Mooney 34 X-ray, traffic 12 o'clock and about a mile. Diamond not on frequency, they're at 2,000, looks like 500.
Roger, looking for traffic, Mooney 34 X-ray.
Tower Cherokee 93 Romeo, turning right across it now.
34 X-ray, traffic no factor.
Traffic no factor, 34 X-ray. There it is. You're looking for the arch. It looks like an upside down U.
Downtown tower,
Makita mo, Daddy?
Whiskey inbound with X-ray for
Daddy,
close traffic.
nagasilag na ta silver ka lang ang nagkasta.
34 X-ray, runway 12 left, clear to land.
12 left, cleared to land. About to turn my left base, Mooney 34 X-ray.
November 86 Charlie, we were waiting your IFR release and not getting the word from approach yet.
Okay, 86 Charlie.
Downtown tower, 5504 Romeo, holding short 12 right, ready for depart. For the south.
5504 Romeo, downtown tower, hold short, runway 12 right, landing traffic.
Traffic 12 right.
Billiken 29, runway 12 right, clear for the option.
Direct clear for the option, Billiken 29.
04 Romeo, I think somebody cut you off. Hold short of runway 12 right, landing traffic.
Roger. 04 Romeo is holding short.
Billiken 76, make a right 360 for your short approach.
Right 360, 76.
St. Louis Tower, November 714 Quebec Whiskey inbound with X-ray for close traffic.
Alright, 86 Charlie, runway 12 left, clear for takeoff, fly, runway heading, no delay. Traffic on about a 1 mile final.
Sorry, say again, was that 86 Charlie?
86 Charlie 8, affirmative fly, runway heading, runway 12 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, 12 left, 86 Charlie.
That's 714 Quebec Whiskey. Did you get our calls? We're inbound.
Alright, 4 Quebec Whiskey, trying to get somebody off the departure. 4 Quebec Whiskey, enter a left base, runway 12 left.
Left base 12 left, 4 Quebec Whiskey.
Mooney 34 X-rays on a short final for 12 left.
Mooney 34 X-ray, this is full stop, correct?
Full stop.
134 X-ray, runway 12 left, clear to land.
Cleared to land, runway 12 left, Mooney 34 X-ray.
Downtown tower, this is Cessna 88 Foxtrot Tango, holding short 12 left with X-ray. Request the transfer frequency again, please.
88 Foxtrot Tango, downtown tower, hold short, runway 12 left, landing traffic, and your frequency will be 123.7, 23.7.
Hold short 12 left, landing frequency 123.7. 8 Foxtrot Tango, thank you.
Billiken 76, short approach approved, runway 12 left, cleared for the option.
12 left approved, short approach, Billiken 76.
04 Romeo, runway 12 right, cleared for takeoff, proceed southbound.
Roger, 04 Romeo, clear to take off 12 right, turning south. Thanks.
only one departure prior to your arrival, runway 12 right, clear for the option.